Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video we will be looking at AM3 challenges matrices class 8 from 4th question onwards we will see. Okay, so let's begin. First, we'll write the given data for 4th question. The question says A is equal to 7, 4, 5, 3. We have to find A inverse, okay? We don't know that. And we should also prove A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A, that is equal to identity. So in the previous video itself I have explained what is an identity. So identity is something like you should get this. Identity means 1001. Now single identity means this one. Now 2i if you are having means it is going to be 2002. Now if you are having 3i then it is going to be same thing 3003. Okay. Now 4i means 4004. So in such a way. So we have to equate it to this one 1i, right? Single i means that. Okay, let's do this. So first what we have to find A inverse, right? So let's solve this A inverse. So A inverse formula already I explained you. So A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. Then this matrix we have, right? That is D minus B minus C A. Okay, now 1 by AD minus BC is determinant node, I said, right? So AD means A into D. So here A is 7 and 3 is D. So 7 into 3 is 21 minus BC means B means 4 and C is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So 1 by 21 minus 20 in the knots and brackets we have to put. Then D is 3 minus B means minus 4 minus C is minus 5 and A is 7, right? Yes. Now we will solve this. So 21 minus 20 is 1. So 1 by 1 is the select solved one here. Then write that remaining one as it is. 3 minus 4 minus 5 7. Then what we have to do, this 1 by 1 is 1 only, so when you multiply also there, when you put by 1 also it is going to be same. So A inverse value only, 1 second, yeah. So A inverse value is going to be 3 minus 4 minus 5 7. Okay, now we found the first step for this, that is A inverse. Now we have to find A into A inverse, that is equal to A inverse into A, that is equal to I. So this one now we will solve in the next sheet. Now A into A inverse. So what is A? It's given in the data itself. 7 4 5 3 into A inverse. A inverse is 3 minus 4 5 7, right? Now we have to multiply. So I already explained this matrix multiplication in the very early previous videos. If you haven't checked, you have to check that, then only it's going to be useful for you. Okay, so now when we solve it, first 21 minus 20, here minus 28 plus 28, 15 minus 15 minus 20 plus 21. Then we'll close the matrix. Okay, so that time A into A inverse is what? 1001. Right, now what we have to do? We have to find A inverse into A, right? So that also we will find once. Okay, so that one would be 3 minus 4 5 7 into 7 4 5 3, right? That is equal to 21 minus 20 minus 20 plus 20, 12 minus 12 minus 20 plus 21. Sorry, this didn't come well. Once again, yeah, so this is what is we'll get when we multiply. So A inverse into A is going to be, sorry, this came like dots, it's not ratio, it's equal to 1 0 0 1. So what is this 1 0 0 1? It is identity only, right? So hence that rule, whatever was there, it was proved. Now we'll see fifth question. First we have to find A inverse. Okay, so for in the fifth question, what they gave, first they gave the two matrices. A matrix is equal to minus 2 1 3 minus 1. B matrix is equal to 2 0 5 minus 3. So here we have to find the first one, A matrix, then B matrix, then A B whole inverse, and we have to find B inverse into A inverse. So first we will find A inverse, then B inverse. Okay, let's start with A inverse. The formula already I have explained, that is equal, A inverse is equal to 1 by node of AD minus BC, then D minus B minus C A. So this only we will apply here also. So directly I am putting it, I am not writing the formula. If you need it, you can write it. 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, then hope you understood this. Next step what we have to do is 1 by minus 1 will be there, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this will be A inverse is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. That's the answer. Now we will see the second bit, that is B inverse. Sorry, first second one, B inverse. Now same formula, right? We have to apply the same formula everywhere. Now 1 by minus 6, then that minus 3 0 minus 5 2, that is going to be 1 by 6 minus 3 0 minus 5 2. Okay, then what we have to do when we have this 6 and all different number apart from 1, what we have to do is we have to send to this matrix. Then what happens, for each and every digit in the matrix, that by 6 will be going. So it is going to be like this: minus 3 by 6, 0 by 6, minus 5 by 6, and 2 by 6. Okay, this is 3. Now sometimes we have to cancel. Okay, so that time, like 3 ones are 3 twos are, we can cancel, right? In such a way we can cancel and simplify also. So that's our wish to simplify or not. So I am simplifying. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, minus 1.5, that is minus 1 by 2. 0 by 6 is 0, just write it as 0. Now 5 minus 5 by 6 can't be simplified anymore, and 2 ones 2 threes is 6, so 1 by 3. So this is the answer, that is B inverse is this one. Okay, now we will see AB whole inverse. Okay, but before finding AB whole inverse, we have to find one more important component, because that will be easy when you are doing this AB inverse. So that is AB. So first AB inverse we have got. So if we find AB, sorry, this like this. So if we find AB, then finding AB's inverse would be easier for us. So that's why first we will find this, then the second step we will proceed with AB whole inverse. Right. So let's do. So finding AB is simple only. Like two matrices were already given to us, that were A was -2, 1, 3, -1. Sorry, this didn't come neatly. And B matrix was 2, 0, 5, -3. Right, now we will multiply these two. Then answer is going to be 1, -3, 1, 3. Okay, sorry, it came like equal to. It should not be like that. So now finding AB inverse is going to be simple. So let's solve it. AB inverse equal to 1 by 3 minus of -3. Then it is 3 minus of -3 -1 1. Then it is 1 by 6 3 3 -1 1. Then now, as I told just now, we discussed also previous problem also same, like by 6 came. So we are going to give this by 6 to each and every matrix inside the each and every matrix number to in the matrix. So 3 by 6 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 1 by 6. Okay, now 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. So same way 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 1 by 6. So I think you understood this one also. Now we have to find the fourth one, that is B inverse into A inverse. Let's do. Now B inverse into A inverse. So how to find this is, no need to find like B into A, no need, because here now it is not a BA whole inverse, right? So actually both are equal only, but we should, no need of doing that. So directly B inverse, A inverse, if we put also, it is going to be same. So why we have to do that all big procedure? Instead we will substitute B inverse value and A inverse value. So without simplifying B inverse value I am writing. So that's why you will be thinking like, why two different answers are there? Don't need to think that. So without simplified answer I am using. If you use the simplified one also, it is going to be the same, but it is for calculation it will be easy if I use this one. Okay, now into -1 -1 -3 2 -2. Now when you solve, it is going to be 3 by 6 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 1 by 6. Okay, this is the answer. Now you observe one thing. Okay, well, 1 second, I'll show the previous slide. 1 by 2 1 by 2. No, we will not take what is 1 by 2. We will take this one. I'll erase the cancelled ones. 1 second, I will write clearly. Wait, red, right? So it is 3 by 6 3 by 6. Now what do you observe here? This matrix you don't consider up to here. This one only you consider, this one. Okay, so same answer, right? Here also, here also. So by this they have given one more question actually, that is like, what do you infer? That means what is the inference you found here by solving these two questions? Like any two questions, what do you find? They have asked. That means like AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse B into A inverse. We can write this B inverse into A inverse because that is what is inferred here, right? Like this is same as well as this is same, so we can consider that as the inference. So this is, with this we completed our 5th and 4th questions. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. From 6th question we will see in the next video. Bye, and don't forget to click the bell icon.